truly excited to embark on a new journey with all of you today as we explore the topic that is fundamental to our lives, which is health. So in this um, discussion or this session, we will be diving into what health truly means, not just the absence of illness, but the holistic state of physical, mental, and um, overall well-being. All right. So as we go along with our discussion today, allow us to introduce ourselves first. By the way, I am your teacher Sheena. Together with me are my co-teachers. Kindly introduce yourselves. Hello, I am Bernadette Alaskalagan.
Hi everyone, I am teacher Mylene.
Hello everyone, I am Bernadette.
So, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Romy C. Quevedo, and you can call me Teacher Romy.
And I am teacher Jasmine Tol. You can call me teacher Jasmine.
All right. Since everyone, since you know all of our teachers for this evening, as we go along with our discussion, we will be guided by the following objectives. All right. So the first one is, at the end of the lesson, at least 75% of the students should be able to explain the essential knowledge of holistic health, including the roles of various school health services in fostering personal well-being and a healthy school environment. The next one is value and appreciate the importance of personal and communal health, actively engaging with school health initiatives and support systems. And lastly, um, effectively apply health knowledge and skills in their daily lives and competently utilize
Te,
available school health
te,
resources for their
pag kung
well-being.
mauingon sila
All
nga
right,
nga kuan
so to start off
student
with
ko
our
ingon may gakog yes ma'am, yes
discussion,
sir, ana-ana ba? Ha?
we will be
Balag ikaw lang isa, sige, thank you.
tackling about school
Nagkasulod na
health
siya gilas na.
counseling.
Ay, sige, pagsulod balik ay ang
Teacher,
panawag ko.
kindly take over. Thank you, Teacher Sheena. So now let's talk about the school health counseling. So school health counseling provides services to students to
So,
improve
health
mental
counseling.
health, emotional and social health, and include individual and
So,
group
kung ka na gusto
assessments,
magpipit, school health
intervention, and
counseling.
referrals. So
School health.
um,
Yun lang ka
school
school.
health counseling is a service provided within the educational environment to support students' overall
Wala
well-being.
lagi na
Its
open ka na
primary
sige lang.
focus to promote mental health,
Wala sige open
emotional
cam ka.
stability, and
Nagkita ko.
social skills among students. So, school counselors work with students individually or in groups to assess
Sakto,
their
school
mental
health
and
counseling.
emotional
Mm,
states,
school health counseling.
identify any
So,
issues
insa ko
or
na school health
constraints, and
counseling.
provide
Ano ka
appropriate
lang school health counseling.
interventions.
Kay
So,
Sheena nga pipito ko
these
ng gamit.
interventions may include counseling sessions, skill development, or coping strategies when necessary. Counselors
Nag-open
also
siya eh.
refer students to
Pero,
um,
nag-open ka?
external mental health
Ah.
professionals or resources for customized
Wala sa kodo.
support. Then, overall, school health counseling aims to assist students in preventing issues that both serious personal and improve academic growth. Next. Okay, next teacher. All right, before we proceed with our next teacher,
Nagkunik ko.
anyone who has
Dito
questions,
ka.
do you have any clarifications regarding what was discussed by teacher Bernadette? Are there none?
Ma'am.
Okay, so now let us proceed with the next presenter. Kindly proceed, teacher.
Kasi sunod ka din.
Di ba ba sa ikaduha ta? Ikaw, ako dahil.
Si Roman ako. Nagkataas si Kuan dahil.
Hola. So thank you, Teacher Berna. Now let's proceed to school health education. So school health education provides students with the knowledge and skills they need to become successful learner, healthy and productive adults. So school education and school health education gives kids the tools to be good students and healthy adults. So so it teaches them about their bodies, how to stay healthy, like eating right and exercising. So karon nga panahon, di ba daghan na kayo ga jog, ga walk, so that's it. And now how to make smart choices like saying no to drugs. So kids learn about safety too, like how to avoid accidents, what to do in emergencies. So this all help them build
Deep
strong
health,
bonds.
so
They are healthier and feel better.
Nakuban sila may. Gusto sa kong kapagkalo.
So, good evening, class. So, next would be
Off ka na lang.
the school health living. So, school health living, the term healthful school living designate that the aspect of the school health program which is concerned with provision of a safe and healthful environment. So, um, so what is school health living? So, school health living means make sure students stay healthy
Alam
and
ko rin
happy
naman
at
si Di.
school. This includes healthy food, exercise, mental health support, and a clean, safe environment. So, why is school health living important? So, it is important, no? Number one, so healthy food. We all know that
Kainom na sila ba?
in
Kaya
our
nang lagyan ni sa
history
tanan.
subject, no? That the teacher teach us, no? What how to make a
Bifi pag di makaya sa ka,
plan,
yung kusog sa pon.
no? Like go with go along with this food in life, no? As we all know, no? In research, no? Our
Pero
early
no.
doctors teach us about physical activity and sport, gym,
O silang ilang mic diri dong. Ay ilang
to
nawang.
help us, no? To help the student keep fit and improve their mood. And lastly, we have the health services.
I-off imong kan.
So,
Speak.
naag ang every school yun kay naag siya health services. Now, like say, for example, na kanang mga clinic so that if there is student na ma-injured, no, there is nurses help with any problems like injuries or nana. So, I think that is my topic. So I think that is sorry.
Now do you have any questions based on the discussion of teacher Romy? I guess silent means yes. Now let's proceed to School Health Council. So, School Health Council, a school health advisory council is a district level advisory group made up of parents, mostly non district employees, such as school staff, students, and community members. Its job is to advise the school district on health and wellness programs that support students' learning and reflect local values. Now, why SHAC matters? It matters because kids learn better. SHAC helps guide programs that promote healthier and promote safe environment. It links schools, families, and communities groups so health efforts are coordinated and effective. Now, who is involved? It involved parents, often a major and non-employed by the school district. Second, students. Third, teachers and school staff. And lastly, health professional or community partners. Now, what does SHAC do? Now, SHAC do is advises on age-appropriate health education, including nutrition, physical activity, mental health, and prevention. Second, help shape and review the district wellness and health policies. Third, support program involving nutrition, environment, counseling, staff, wellness, and family community involvement. And lastly, meet regular at least 4 times a school year depending on the school law. Now, class, do you have any questions? Any clarifications? Now, I have a question. What is shock? Anyone from the class?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, please, um, Joanna.
For me, I think SHAC is a parent and community-led advisory council that helps schools plan and improve health programs so students can thrive both physically and academically.
Yes, that is correct, Joanna. Now, since Joanna is already understood my discussion, may I call Teacher Jasny to proceed our discussion.
Okay, so let's move on to a school health educator. A school health educator class helps students and the school community learn how to stay healthy by planning and leading health programs on the topic like hygiene, nutrition, and mental health. They work with others to create a safe and healthy school environment. So let us always remember, class, that a healthy student is a better learner, and our health educators play a big in making that happen. So, do you have any questions or any clarification, class? Anyone? Okay, if none, I have a question. What is the role of a school health educator? Anyone from the class?
For me, ma'am, someone who teaches how to stay healthy in school.
Okay, thank you, Johanna. Good job. So, um, that ends our discussion. Um, um, what are the five important areas of school health? Anyone from the class?
Me, ma'am.
Okay.
I think the five important areas of school health, ma'am, is school health counseling, school health education, school health living, school health council, and the most of all is school health educator.
Okay, thank you so much, um, Johanna. So that ends our discussion. I hope you gain a better understanding of the five important areas of school health counseling, school health education, school health living, school health council, and school health educator. May I call teacher Sheena?
All right, so it's great that we've had this time to discuss the foundational aspects of school health, right? So we were able to explore how it's not just about the absence of illness, but we've also learned about the comprehensive state of encompassing ourselves, our physical, our mental, and social well-being. Especially that we have delved into the topics or the roles of these five um, school health programs, or yeah. So
kuan man ron. O wala na na video. Na video to na.
Pwede ko.
Murag-mura gid sa iban.
Dito na ka na. Pwede mo pa siya ma-record o kung ano lang.
Di ba na-record na to? Magpagtawag pa gid.